Good morning, everyone. We're going to be making coffee with pumpkin spice today. We have some Sisters coffee here. It's very good, but apparently it's twice the price now. Still good coffee. We got our water. Let's get that going. Some heavy cream. Okay, twice. Twice is nice. From Basic Joe's. Gonna do some ground Saigon cinnamon from Saigon. It's actually from. We're gonna do a little bit of maple syrup in there as well from the Costco. So it's pretty thick now, as you can see. We have our cinnamon maple cream. Pretty cool. It's good with strawberries. Our water just finished boiling, so we're gonna pour that over our coffee.
Potatoes are great. Red potatoes are fine.
Yeah, red potatoes are alright.
Are red potatoes better?
I mean, red potatoes are good. Russet potatoes are good. Oh, good. It's good. I mean, I like russet potatoes.
Okay.
Mmm, yummy. Yummy. Quick note for everyone making this coffee. You only need like a half teaspoon or less of each cinnamon and or pumpkin spice from Basic Joe's. I put a lot, like maybe a tablespoon each, and it's kind of a lot. Still tastes good, but it's very cinnamony. So less than like half a teaspoon each, and you'll be very good. Thumbs up. That's a thumbs up. That's not anything bad. Just a thumbs up.